Today we're changing this to this. If you guys watched my channel years ago, you'd know that I come from gas bikes. And the one thing I love about gas bikes is how they look. So today we're gonna try and make my XXX look a little bit more like a dirt bike. How do we do that, you may ask? With this, the ODI front number plate. Install on this will be pretty straightforward. We're just gonna remove the 3 bolts that hold this headlight in, and we should be able to slap it right on. Now, I don't yet have a headlight for this. There is a plug and play headlight option that I will be putting on later, but right now we're just putting on the number plate to see how it looks. Do have to remove the fender too to get to this lower headlight bolt. Oh, and we do have to take the bars off. I forgot about that to get the headlight mount off. Okay, headlight should come off now. Should be able to tuck all these wires kind of back under here ideally. I think we'll just zip tie it right on. All right, now just for the front fender to go back on, should bring it all together. Alrighty guys, and there you have it. ODI front number plate is on. Again, you just zip tie it on here. Got the front fender back on. We have no headlight right now, but Steady Garage makes a plug and play one that'll mount right here that should be like a little LED bar that we're gonna put on eventually. But I think it looks sick. Again, the goal is to make this thing look like an actual dirt bike. We do have some graphics coming for the front that we'll put on next video. But yeah, all in all, it looks pretty sweet. Let me know down in the comments what you think of it. But I dig the look. I think it makes it look like a proper dirt bike. With all that said, I'm gonna leave the link for this ODI plate down in the description. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you next time though. Peace.